nothing. So I am fresh back from our big build trip in Kentucky. This trip was our last big push on this cabin. Our objectives were to get the bathroom done. Wanted to install the toilets, flooring, everything, but they're not even drywalled yet. As well as finish off the screen porch and the railings on the front. Hi Pete.
What up?
Say hi to your fans.
Oh. Hi fans.
Right over there you can see these two trees fell. There's a log road right up there in the woods, and I think they cut the roots and these fell. They fell on the power line. So the power company came up and fixed it, but we got all this debris in here that we're cleaning out of the way of the road. Get it tucked back into the woods where it won't bother anybody. One of the other jobs we decided to do was to pick up one of the downspouts on the back of the roof and run it into the underground water tank so we wouldn't just be pulling water from the front porch. Hey George.
Hey.
Where are you?
Right here.
I still can't even see you under there.
No.
This is great YouTube footage right here. George is down there cleaning out this dam. Hi, George.
Hi, Steve.
You can see right in here, it's starting to wash around like that and go back. So we want to get all this junk out so that it can just wash downstream. We got pretty close on these bathrooms. We still need to tile a shower, hang a couple mirrors, and we needed to measure for countertop after the cabinets went in. That's kind of hard to do ahead of time. On the screen porch, I've still got to put in screens. I ordered those from Flex Screen, so hopefully they'll be in before too long. We'll do a little video on putting them in. We did get the log railings and the screen porch pretty well done, so I'll make separate videos on those. Those are kind of cool, and I took a lot of footage of that. So anyways, this is where we're at so far. I think we're about done. The next trip that we take will be either a short trip with a couple guys just to do those last few things, or we'll take a bunch of guys and start on the next cabin as well. Here we go. I'll block Jason with my head. Thanks for coming to Kentucky with us. I'm not very good at the sign-offs. George, you want to do the sign-off?
Until next time, goodbye from Kentucky.
Goodbye.